Hi, in the previous video so far we discussed about Kruskal Wells model for robust ANOVA. Now in this video I will discuss about which model you will choose. Compare the model and choose your best model for linear regressions. And trust me, it is the last video of ANOVA analysis of the variance, so be careful which model you will choose. So in the ANOVA video, if you have any query, comment in the previous sections in the descriptions where it is ANOVA is written on that video. Anywhere you have any query, comment, please put the query on comment, or directly you can reach to me via my mail at polashmodel351 at the gmail.com. So far it's good. So let's me proceed on this video first. So I will take the model that comparing model using ANOVA and choose base model. I think model is for ANOVA and choose the best model. Okay, so which model we choose? Suppose I'm taking here previously red dataset, card dataset you were using. Suppose here I will use another new datasets like car93 dataset. I will make the model of M1 and giving the name. Okay, so linear regressions model. After that, car93 data I'm using, where the outputs response values as like price. Okay, and input values is car93 datasets is there, and I'm taking the input values of min price. Fine, it is in the model, so run it. It is up to here. Fine. Now sorry, now make another model. I'm just for that reason I'm copying it here, I'm paste it here. So my next model is given the m2 name, where I'm adding another input variable, which is sorry, car93 datasets. I'm taking the input as max price. Okay, so it is the another model. It is also successfully run. After that, taking the third model, so I'm giving this name as m3. So m3 will be treated as like this. car93 data I'm taking here, I'm giving I will be treated, and one operation will do at here. What happened, I'm taking the mean price. Okay, uh sorry, it is the mean price. Okay, I want to check on max price. Max price is there. On that max price, I want to make the model. I want to give sorry, I want to give the square of it. I want to use it. Okay, so I'm giving the square of it. Fine, so far. So you can use another one, like for that reason give it the plus car93 data and use the data frame of mean price. Okay, so if you understand, so my data set is like this way. So run this it. So m3 model also successfully run. Now which model will choose? Each and every model will give the different sensors. If you choose the m1, you can see my m1 is intercept, and this values is like this. If you want to choose m2, it will be give different value. If you choose m3, it will be give the different value. But which model is the good? How will you know that? So first, let me compare the model first. Which one will be the best model for you? To compare the model, you will call the ANOVA functions. ANOVA function will call. After that, maybe we'll choose at m1 and we want to compare with m2. So if you compare these things, we'll get the answer at here only. Check it. First model and second model. Obviously the second model p value, probabilities values, is very less, and it is giving 3 asterisks, means this values is near to 0. So rather than first model, second model is really efficient, really good. Now if you want to choose the third one, if you want to compare with that, so what will do? Checking these things. Suppose here m2, actually m3 and m2, which one is good? Now if you want to do those things, you can check it here. This one is 0. uh, Sorry, I think I did a mistake here. Run it. Okay, so what happened, probabilities values are not given, just square of f values is given and other values is given. By see this thing, you can understand till now the second model is good. Now if you compare the three model together, ANOVA, M1 and M2 and M3, three model together, so which model will be good? Now see, after comparing these things, it is notice that our second model is really efficient because its probabilistic values is near to 0 of the value 2.2 e to the power minus 16. So whatever the model 3 model created, our second model is very efficient and very good. You can understand from here. So the final conclusion at this video for the ANOVA series, analysis of variance. In this, throughout the videos, series of videos, if you have any query, comment or anything doubt, please share with me in the comment sections, and please let me know the community also. If the community, the people know about your answer, might be they will give answer, neither I will be there, I will respond on your query. And another request is that my motivations and the self earnings from YouTube, for your single click of your subscribe and watching video, like and share, subscribe is exactly is enormous and wonderful thing that you cannot believe on you, from your side. So my inspiration is coming from here. So for further video of statistics with R or statistic live programming, or like making an live project, if you have any query, comment or anything regarding this, you can share with me in my mail ID. And final request is there, hope you will take care and have a nice day. Bye.